why I don't run Facebook or Google ads for my cleaning business, and 3 reasons why you shouldn't either. What's up, what's up? Mike Mack here, founder of AutomatedCleaningBusiness.com, and I'm back with another video. Today we're talking ads. We're talking Facebook and Google ads. I see a lot out there, and I want to help people struggling, especially when they think they've tried everything. Let's go to ads. It's not a magic pill. I'm gonna get into it, why I don't do it with my cleaning service. All right, so we're not gonna waste any time. So let's jump right into it. And I think the first thing I should tell you, just so you know I'm not coming from a biased place, is that I love Google ads and I love Facebook ads. I love them so much. I have other businesses and I use ads 100%. I couldn't imagine a world where I didn't use ads. So this is not me saying ads don't work. This is not me saying ads are not good. It's the opposite. I love ads. And honestly, for most businesses, I don't know how else to grow them but with ads. Okay, so just so you know, I'm not coming from like a biased place or a place of, oh, maybe you're just not good at it. No, I've gotten really good at it over the last several years because I've been doing it for a long time. And you know, it's just when it comes to cleaning service specifically, I just have never loved the results. So let's get into those reasons why right now, starting with 1. All right, reason number 1 why I don't run ads for my cleaning service and why you shouldn't either is it's risky business. Yes. Don't get me wrong, I am obviously now in a place where I could set aside the correct amount of money to run ads every month, 100%. But this, I'm not really talking to you if you're in a position where like I am now or you're close. No, you could probably really get away with it and you may like the results. Talking about me specifically in my company, I just have not. I'm mainly talking, this video is mainly for people in the very beginning. Because if you're in the very beginning, you're seeing what's out there, right? And there's books on traffic, there's books on ads, and you're seeing ads every step of the way, and they're telling you to, you know, run this ad, get this opt-in, you're looking at landing pages, all types of things like that, and you're confused, and you're like, I need to do ads. Well, let me tell you something right now. It's risky business. It's risky business, and what people aren't telling you on the internet is ads aren't this thing where you just spend money and it works. It's not. I'd like it if it were that easy, honestly. It would have saved me tens of thousands of dollars in other businesses, you know, just testing and testing and testing. You know, a lot of what ads is really just figuring out what works. There is no easy button. There's no flip of a switch and, you know, perfect. Your ads are on, you're gonna get leads. It doesn't necessarily work that way. So you can run into some luck and you could have it to where if you spend enough, you could probably pull some profit back, but it's a huge risk. If you're starting out and you don't have the means to just say to yourself, okay, I'm gonna put $5,000 per month aside, and no matter what, I'm going to stick with this for 4 to 6 months, that way I could really see some return. That's how you have to look at ads in my view. And trust me, don't just take it from me, take it from the people that, you know, spend tens of thousands of dollars every single month in ads. They would tell you the same thing. Ads is not an overnight success thing. Ads, it just takes a lot of time. And if you are just starting out, there are way better ways to go about it. So that's reason 1. Let's get to 2. All right, before I get into number 2, if you are liking this video and you're getting value, I need you to hit me with that like button. That would help out the channel tremendously, but don't do it unless you are actually getting value. That's all I ask. Also hit that subscribe button. Let's do it. All right, reason number 2 is they're complicated. Super complicated. There's so much to know. There's so much to know, and just to tell you, I mean, there are people out there who sell ads courses for a living, and they legitimately will try to give away their entire course in order to get people to pay them to learn how to do it. Now, you have to question yourself, like if someone's giving me an entire complicated course, what are they telling me essentially? They're telling you that this is so complicated that I can give you exactly what I teach and you're still gonna want to, you know, pay to join the program, right? For me, I look at that and it makes me want to run, because I'm constantly investing in courses like that, and you know, because I'm always trying to get better and better. Because as entrepreneurs, we have to have many tools, and you always want to keep them sharp. Now, if something is that complicated, when you are just starting out, with your cleaning service, that this could be a full-time job in itself, running your ads, running the, writing the copy, testing campaigns, when to shut off a campaign, when to scale a campaign, et cetera, et cetera. It's very complicated. There's a lot that goes into it. And that's why I'm telling you in the very beginning, I wouldn't. But there'll be a time when if you are hell-bent on trying it, I'm definitely not discouraging it, but I'm only discouraging it if you're starting out and you're not loaded with money. If you don't have, like I said, $5K for the next 6 months just in a piggy bank, I wouldn't even do it. Now, that's if you do it yourself. There is another option, and I want you to know all options. The other option would be hiring a media buyer. So a media buyer is someone, just like it sounds, you pay them and they're going to run your ads for you. The problem with that is, remember I said, let's say you put $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 aside for several months. Well, guess what? A lot of retainers, for people who are actually really good at running ads, they start at $3,000. So imagine, you're gonna pay someone $3,000 per month to run ads. Well, guess what? Now, that's just the retainer. Now you have to put more money on top of that to make sure the ads are actually worth it. And to justify a $3K expense per month, you gotta be spending a lot more than $3,000 a month in ad spend. Try 5, 6, 7. That's my view at least. So I just wanted you both sides of the coin. That's 2, let's get to 3. Reason number 3 why I don't run ads for my cleaning service is it's less targeted approach. Yes, it's a less targeted approach. Why? Because what you're doing for ads is you're essentially casting your marketing message out there to the masses. And that could be clients of all sizes calling you, engaging with you, and trying to get your service, which on one hand does sound really, really good, assuming you're actually doing everything correctly. The problem is that you can't control what's coming back. So like all of your marketing efforts and all the money that you're putting into this, imagine getting it right after several months of just losing money. You finally got it right, but now the people who are calling you are $300 a month offices, $350, $500 a month offices, and I'm not poo-pooing that, throwing that aside like that's nothing. That's a great place to start. There's no shame in starting with smaller offices. The one thing I would say is you are investing a lot of money into ads in order to get those returns. That's not very exciting, and unless, like I said, unless you have a lot of money to lose, I wouldn't start there. Because if you did start there and you were putting that, like, let's say you used a media buyer and then let's say you had another $3,000 spend, that's $6,000, and let's say you did that for 3 months, that would be $6,000, $12,000, $18,000. So $18,000 in 3 months, and then let's say you finally get a call and you land a client and that client's paying you $500 a month, $18,000 for $500 a month. I don't know, doesn't sound desirable to me, but if it does to you, you're on your own journey and I'm not judging. For my cleaning service and in my program, I teach people how to do it with a few $100 a month. It's a very targeted list to where when people actually call you back, it's the type of people that you actually want. We take a much more targeted approach because while ads are great, for what we're doing in the cleaning game, if we can put all of our attention, focus, energy, and advertising spend, I said that weird, advertising spend, into a targeted list, we make it to where what we're spending every month is minimal, and then the potential gain from just one of these high ticket clients is a maximum, ridiculously insane, hard to believe return on investment. That's how I like to play it. That's how I like to play it. That's how I continue to play it. And that's how I show people how to play it. So I didn't want to just tell you not to do ads and then leave you lost. Take a targeted approach and make it to where at least all of your spend is going towards the right people. Hope you found this video massively valuable. If you enjoyed this video, there's a strong chance that you'll really enjoy this video. See you in the next one.